nyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino yosirisa zvakanyanyisa zvaita kuti even maanalyst obuda pachena achiti our country no longer has an economy. Noda kuti there is a family aiwa iri kuoperata Zimbabwe as their own private business. Saka kana mashuka anobuda panguva ino tiri kuona kuti people they are suffering, people they are struggling to earn a living, but we can see just a select few they are floundering vari kuenjoya maresources enyika at the expense of the general public. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timda pahendo ya President Andy 28 anoposta these pictures amuri kuona the first family obudanyira chiti Zimbabwe no longer is an economy, it's just a family business with the president, first lady and their sons all designated as economic saboteurs. Sugananda, the blood sucking must stop. No to ED 2030. No to Monomotapa Kingdom. And again to another post about this moving closer to ZVAITWA. These people are supporters of General Chwenga. Being a president is like a relay. You do your part and then pass the stick to the next athlete. Building a country is a continuous process that will never end. Even after 2030, there will be new projects to finish. Mnangagwa is just using development as an excuse to grab power. No more developments are put up on I talk about sorrow or pay these individuals or play below Canada agency. They are just excusing but they want to finish their projects. But it can sutarisa apana swapoma projects ankada kunzi angatadzisa a person to step down kana kuti angatadzisa kuti the successor a continue from them. Developments are uda panguva tikuona kuti Zimbabwe has been tricked panguva inoi tinova setajutiwa panguva inoi these people grabbing power. Vana kumesa chimedo dzafura imori kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musawa subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.